Welcome to GalleryID, where we match the name to the face. This tutorial covers organizing, moving, and managing your headshot library. Right-click a subcategory, or use the three-dot menu to see your options. Select Rename to update a subcategory name. The display name updates everywhere it's referenced. Choose Move to relocate a subcategory to a different category. Select the destination and confirm. For bulk operations, select multiple headshot cards in the grid. The Bulk Actions bar gives you move and delete options. Click Move to open the destination picker. Choose the target subcategory and confirm. All selected headshots transfer at once. Delete removes headshots permanently. A confirmation modal prevents accidental deletions. The general category is protected. You can't rename, move, or delete it. It's the default landing spot for unorganized headshots. Stop tagging. Start delivering. Visit our tutorial library at GalleryID to learn more.